Learn Icelandic. What is, equals.
Hvað er?
Quick question power. Welcome aboard. Hey you, ready to unlock one mighty Icelandic question and have a laugh while you learn? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today's star phrase is
Hvað er?
which means, what is. Aim it at any mystery object and boom, conversation starts. Try the gesture. Raise your eyebrows and trace a question mark in the air while saying.
Hvað er?
Let's dive in. Your goal today. You'll nail the base question and two handy variations. By the end, you'll confidently ask.
Hvað er?
Plus point and ask with.
Hvað er þetta?
What is this? And.
Hvað er það?
What is that? Pro tip. When you get the answer, you'll often hear.
Það er.
Meaning, it is. Sound and rhythm. Make it musical so it sticks. Hum two notes, do, re, and land with a curious lift.
Hvað er?
Rhyme it.
Hvað er? Spyrðu hér.
Say it clear, answers near. Comedy boost. Imagine a parrot that only knows Icelandic squawking.
Hvað er?
At everything, even a mirror. You, buddy, that's you. Parrot.
Hvað er?
Mini dialogue. Listen in and repeat after each line. A. I found a strange tool. B. Then ask.
Hvað er þetta?
A. Good call.
Hvað er þetta?
B.
Það er skrúfjárn.
It is a screwdriver. A. In a museum I might whisper.
Hvað er?
When I see odd art. B. Classic. On quiz shows in Reykjavik, the host starts with.
Hvað er?
Speed drills. Quick reps. Say it out loud with me. Point at something on your desk. Say.
Hvað er þetta?
Across the room at that gadget. Say.
Hvað er það?
Generic mystery moment. Say.
Hvað er?
Switch to the answer form. Start your reply with.
Það er.
It is. Example.
Það er bók.
It is a book. Contrast check. Don't mix these up.
Hvað?
Equals what?
Hvar?
Equals where?
Hver?
Equals who? Culture tip. A tiny peek into usage in Iceland. On a Reykjavik quiz show, the host points to a picture and begins with.
Hvað er?
The audience leans in, curious. Use it in shops, museums, or with friends. Add a friendly tone and that eyebrow raise, instant Icelandic charm. Quick quiz. You've got this, answer aloud. Q1. Which Icelandic phrase means, what is? A.
Hvar er?
B.
Hver er?
C.
Hvað er?
Answer. C. Q2. True or false?
Hvað er?
Means, who is. Answer. False. It means, what is. Q3. Fill the blank. On the board it said.
Lástrik, 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 lástrik er.
Answer.
Hvað?
Bonus speed round. Say the Icelandic for, what is, as fast as you can.
Hvað er?
Challenge time. Level up with a mini mission. Walk around your room and ask 3 times.
Hvað er þetta?
Then answer each with.
Það er.
Mind map the question family.
Hvað?
What?
Hver?
Who?
Hvar?
Where?
Hvenær?
When?
Af hverju?
Why?
Hvernig?
How? Point at objects and clap a rhythm. Clap clap, say.
Hvað er? Hvað er?
Quote. Super combo. Say the base, then the 2 pointers.
Hvað er? Hvað er þetta? Hvað er það?
Thanks and next steps. You did great today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Hvað er?
Plus.
Hvað er þetta?
And.
Hvað er það?
In real moments. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges. Keep your curiosity high, your eyebrows raised, and your Icelandic rolling.